Hi, I'm Michael, and welcome to the Land Flipping course. I'm excited to have you here, and over the course of this program, I'll be guiding you step by step through a simple, proven approach to land flipping that anyone can follow. Mastering land flipping involves leveraging a low overhead model with no repairs or tenant issues. This approach focuses on clean, profitable transactions, offering a predictable path to wealth. Successful investors use specific strategies to achieve fast, consistent profits, minimizing risk while maximizing freedom. Land flipping offers faster transactions, closing in days or weeks without inspection delays. It presents a lower risk profile, as empty land avoids issues like foundation problems. The ambitiously lazy advantage allows remote work with virtual due diligence and digital closings. Buying discounted land creates instant equity, ensuring consistent profits. Understanding seller motivation is crucial for finding undervalued land. Many landowners sell cheaply due to inheritance, unrealized plans, or to avoid taxes. They prefer quick sales, creating opportunities for investors. Effective sourcing strategies include tax-delinquent lists, direct mail, digital outreach, auctions, estate sales, and online marketplaces. These methods uncover motivated sellers ready for fast transactions. Confirm legal road access. Public roads are ideal. Recorded easements acceptable. Avoid landlocked parcels. Evaluate terrain using satellite imagery. Flat or gently sloping land sells faster. Proximity to utilities like electricity and water increases buyer interest. Verify zoning for intended uses. Restrictions can deter buyers. Analyze market demand through recent sales to ensure accurate pricing. Conduct a title search to ensure clean ownership and identify any liens. Check tax status for delinquent taxes. Confirm access rights through public roads or easements. Verify zoning for allowable uses. Review Federal Emergency Management Agency maps for flood zone risks. Screen for environmental concerns like wetlands or contamination. This streamlined due diligence ensures safe, profitable land investments. Negotiate clear purchase agreements with straightforward language. Choose closing methods wisely. Use title companies for high-value transactions or self-close smaller deals. Record the deed at the county recorder's office. Funding options include personal cash, credit lines, or partner capital. Land purchases involve simpler paperwork, enabling fast, profitable exits. To sell land quickly and profitably, use professional photos and clear maps to highlight features. List on platforms like LandWatch and Lands of America to reach serious buyers. Price competitively for cash sales or offer seller financing to expand your buyer pool and secure premium pricing. Manage everything virtually for efficiency. Welcome to your investment journey with me. I'll guide you through a clear step-by-step framework to help you confidently build a successful land investment portfolio. Get your free guide and begin today. In Module 6, I'll explain why vacant land investing stands out for its simplicity and low cost of ownership.